Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my September fall Walmart beauty box. If you're not familiar, it is a quarterly subscription. It is $6.98. You get full-sized items, you get sample items. It's a lot of fun. So if you want to see what I got and watch me apply any makeup items that I can, then just keep watching. As you can see, I do have some makeup on my face. Everything will be linked in the description box below. The makeup that I already have on my face, and of course the items that I got in my box, and a link if you're interested in checking out the Walmart beauty box. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share what I got. The first thing that I saw in the box, which by the way comes with a cute little wrapped paper and a card that will often tell you about most of the things that you got in your box. But I noticed that they sent me a sample card of the Revlon Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation with 5% squalene and hyaluronic acid. This foundation retails for $11.48 on the Walmart website. Now on my face, I have my skincare, of course, that's been on for a while, and I put my favorite primer from L'Oreal on this side and left this side alone so that I can make a note in the description box and let you know how it wore. This has gotten a lot of buzz, and I did not take the leap just because it talks about squalene and hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure how much that would work for an oily skinned gal like me, but we're gonna find out. I'm very grateful that I got a sample card of this product. Let me go ahead and throw this on my face. We've got some light shades and some deep shades. Hopefully there is enough to cover my face, but I am guessing that Buff Beige is going to be my shade, and I might have to mix a couple shades, but we'll get the idea. Go ahead and yeah, definitely gonna have to mix because I'm out. I'm out at this point. Let me go ahead and mix in Creamy Natural, which is one shade up. I'm gonna take my Haley's Beauty brush and just tap this in. Looks nice. I would call it a light to medium coverage. I do see a glow on my skin, not too much. So far, I like it a lot. I went ahead and added the rest of my face products, excluding my eyes. What are we gonna pull out of the box next? This is what looks like a sample size of the Kiss Impress Press-On Falsies. What is really neat is I already own these. Now, they do come in natural and glam. I'm looking at these and they look to be the same size. Full size retails for $14.97. So I am gonna go ahead and apply a couple of these on both edges of my lashes. I'll put 2 on this side and 2 on this side. There is a little bit of a learning curve with these, and I have struggled a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, a couple of these are probably on my floor somewhere. But when you get them on right, and I'm sure with more practice, you'd be an expert. You have them on the little pincher. That took a couple of tries, got the first one on. Now I am pressing them into my lashes, and take a look. See the difference? I just realized there is a mascara in this box, so I feel like we're not gonna see the full effect of the mascara unless we stop. I'm gonna leave these lashes on this side and see if I look a little lopsided at the end. But this is nice for a very natural look. And of course you can add mascara on top. Let's move into this mascara. I am very happy. They sent me the CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara. I've heard some great things about this. Extreme Black, Intense Lush Volume, Aloe Leaf Extract, retails for $10.48. I have not tried a CoverGirl mascara in a very long time. Very cute packaging. Here is what the wand looks like, and I'm going to start on this side. Since this is the side that does not have those kiss lashes. There's one coat. Length, not a lot of volume. Let me add a couple more and I'll be right back. I'm back. I have a couple of coats on the top, one on the bottom. I can't say I'm in love. Now remember, this just has the Kiss extension press-ons on it, and this one has the mascara. I did get some good volume, but the formula seems to be a little on the sticky side, which I do not love. But I will continue playing with it. I'm just gonna add a little bit on this side so that I don't look too lopsided. I can see the difference with those lashes. It does look a little bit longer. You just throw some on the bottom and we will move on to the next product. All right, next we have the EsponJabon by T.Taio Mother of Pearl Soap Sponge. Very interesting. This is an original 2-in-1 soap sponge that is a social media sensation with millions of views and rave reviews. I've not heard of it. Tell me if you have. With exfoliating EsponJabon Mother of Pearl soap on the outside and a skin exfoliating shower scrubber sponge on the inside, our soap infused sponge has been clinically tested for daily use on the entire body and all skin types. Mother of Pearl is known to provide a lightening effect and is enhanced by our uniquely incorporated bath sponge for a truly satisfying 2-in-1 skin exfoliating experience. This retails for $4.97. I kind of want to smell it. It feels like slightly tacky soap, and it smells like soap. It doesn't have anything, it just smells clean to me. Now I'll have to test this out and I'll let you know in favorites and fails. It also says you get multiple uses out of this. Let me check that out. It says it can last for 40 uses. Wow. Next we have the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, fragrance-free. I have gotten this before. I like it. I switch between Cetaphil and CeraVe for my facial cleanser. This one is specifically for combination to oily, sensitive skin. That works great for me. Full size is $11.97. Next we have For You by Tia Leave-In Curl Cream with flaxseed oil and hem 15. This retails for $10.97. It is a versatile leave-in treatment that gently conditions hair, smooths frizz, and softly holds for easy curl-enhancing styling. I have been enjoying my curly hair journey, and I have been using curl cream every time that I do my hair and when I refresh my hair. Right now I'm using I think it's the Perfect 10 curl cream. I will absolutely try this. I'd like to smell it. I've not heard of this brand, so that's cool. This Walmart beauty box gives me the opportunity to branch out to brands I've never heard of, and then I can let you know if it's any good. It smells typical, like a hair product. And the last thing is the Ariana Grande Thank You Next Body Mist. This retails for $9.98 for the full size. Optimistically outspoken, playful yet cool Thank You Next for women bursts open with juicy notes of sparkling white pear and wild raspberry that soften with a heart of creamy coconut and delicate pink rose petals. Divine velvety musk infuses classic Ari sass, while macaroon sugar adds a playful femininity full of attitude, full of sweetness. Sounds right up my alley. Maybe not the rose part, but the sweet part. Oh, I like it. Except when it gets in my eye. That did not feel good. Sweet with just a touch of floral. I think I like it. That is everything. Did I get my money's worth from this Walmart beauty box? Absolutely. I got a new mascara to play with, false lashes. I got to test out a new foundation from Revlon. I will keep you posted, but right now I am really liking the way that my skin looks. It looks very smooth. It looks very healthy. I love the way it's looking. Some curl cream, some fragrance, a really different kind of soap, travel face wash that's still in here. Very good. $6.98. Are you kidding? I don't think I've had a box yet that I didn't have at least one product that made it worth my while. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing before you leave. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Have a fabulous day.